Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix the "my blade is shifting" complaint. It's a very simple fix. There's three types of washers that you might have. You might have the flat washer, the split lock washer, and then the internal tooth washer. If it's the flat washer, I suggest you replace it with one of these two, as they are just better washers and hold the screw a little bit tighter and avoid the blade from shifting. First thing you're wanting to do is unscrew the lever screw. And the reason that the blade is shifting with the internal tooth washer is because the teeth were faced the wrong way. So as you see, it kind of indents in a little bit, the teeth in a certain direction, so it's going towards the right here. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that this side is away from the clipper and towards the screw. So you want the teeth biting down on the screw. I'm just gonna retighten it back up. Be careful not to lose the lever pin or the lever spring, as they fall out pretty easily. You're gonna want to make sure you have your blade aligned exactly how you want it. Make sure it's not over gapped. Tighten it all the way, and the blade no longer shifts. Nice and tight. If it comes loose, it's because the lever screw comes loose. Just simply tighten it back up again over time, but you should be good to go.